side, smoky rolling steady through the dawn. Two-lane blacktop calling our names, chasing sun through valleys and plains, rails and rivers running wild and free, twisting through the tall pine trees. Rise and fall of the open road, let that throttle ease the load, clear the mind, body and soul, leave the heavy world behind. We ride where we've never been, wind in our faces, let the freedom in. Small town lights and a neon sign, diner doors and a nice cold beer. Kickstands down but the night's not done, cigars and scotch when the day's been won, laughing loud while the moonlight glows. That smoky rising heats on the road. Two wheels, two hearts, one long road. Oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in. Just turn me loose. Let me straddle my old saddle underneath the western skies. On my cayuse, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountain rise. I want to ride to the ridge where the west commences, gaze at the moon until I lose my senses. I can't look at hobbles and I can't stand fences. Don't fence me in. Give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze and listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in. Just turn me loose. Let me straddle my old saddle underneath the western skies. On my cayuse, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountain rise. I want to ride to the ridge where the west commences, gaze at the moon until I lose my senses. I can't look at hobbles and I can't stand fences. Don't fence me in. Don't fence me in. The Pinon Mesa rose, and the campfire cures your woes. Watching the sly road runner flee on the tails of an autumn breeze. I'm leaning against a juniper bough as the creek water takes a stroll. That's where you'll find me, where the big backcountry lies. There the cowboy's free to ride out under New Mexico skies, where the lean jack hops along and the coyote sings his song. Up high the rocky spires shade the sunny desert days. I'm leaning against adobe walls of old, there's stories to be told. That's where you'll find me, where the big backcountry lies. There the cowboy's free to ride out under New Mexico skies. Just me and a covey of a gambling quail, loping down the turquoise trail. That's where you'll find me, where the big backcountry lies. There the cowboy's free to ride out under New Mexico skies. That's where you'll find me, where the big backcountry lies. There the cowboy's free to ride out under New Mexico skies. There's something like the city grass that's curried, smooth and green. Theaters, strangling collars, wagons run by gasoline. But for me it's horse and saddle every day without a change, and the desert sun blazing on 100 miles of range. Just a riding desert, rippling in the sun. Mountains blue along the skyline, I don't envy anyone when I'm riding. When my boot is in the stirrup and my horse is on the bust, with his hooves a flashing lightning in a cloud of golden dust, and the bawling of the cattle is a-coming down the wind, then a finer life than riding would be mighty hard to find. Just a riding, splitting long cracks through the air, stirring up a baby cyclone, ripping up the prickly pear, and a riding. Need no art exhibits when the sunset does her best, painting everlasting glory on the mountains to the west. And your opera looks so foolish when the nightbird starts its tune, and the desert's silver mounted by the touches of the moon. Just a riding, who could envy kings and czars, when the coyotes down the valley are singing to the stars if he's riding. When my earthly trail is ended and my final bacon curled, and the last great roundup's finished at the home ranch of the world. I don't want no harps, nor halos, robes, nor other dressed up things. Just let me ride the starry ranges on a pinto horse with wings. Just a riding, nothing I'd like half as well as a rounding up the sinners that have wandered out of hell. And a riding, just a riding, desert rippling in the sun. Mountains blue along the skyline, I don't envy anyone when I'm riding. When I'm riding.
They said I peaked in my hometown, that I'd fade out like a sundown. But I'm still here, boots on the floor, knocking on dreams and kicking down doors. Been through hell with a crooked grin. If I fall, I get up again. A little worn out, but I'm still wired. Got calloused hands and a soul on fire. I ain't done yet, not by a mile. Still got gas in the tank and a red dirt smile. I've been bruised, yeah, I've been bent, but I break the mold, not the man I am. You can bet your last sunset I ain't done yet. I've heard the laughs in the small town shade, but I built this grid on every name they gave. Learned to fight with my heart wide open. Every no just kept me going. Now I'm louder, prouder, damn near free. This is the real uncut version of me. I walk tall through the highs and lows, with a barstool faith and a heaven glow. I ain't done yet, not by a mile. Still got fire in my chest and a rebel smile. I've been bruised, yeah, I've been bent, but I walk through storms like a southern gent. You can bet your last regret I ain't done yet. And every outlaw's gotta learn. You can count me out, I'll count to 10, then come back swinging all over again. I ain't done yet, not by a mile. Still got something to prove with this back road style. Yeah, I bled and I've been spent. My story ain't close to the last event. You can bet all your cigarette I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet. Still running on heart, no signs of rest.